In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the billing currency on Google Ads, a task that can be neatly accomplished in just about 5 minutes. A key factor to remember when dealing with Google Ads is that while the platform gives you impressive tools to expand your business reach, managing your financial settings efficiently can greatly enhance your advertising success. Let's dive right into it. First, head over to the Google Ads website. You can do this by simply typing Google Ads into your browser's search bar or by directly entering ads.google.com. This platform is designed to help you attract more customers and boost sales through effective online advertising. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to sign in to your Google Ads account. Look towards the top right corner for the sign in button and click on it. This will lead you to a login page where you'll enter your associated email address and password. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken directly to your account dashboard where the magic happens. Now that you're in, navigate to the Google Ads home screen. This is the central hub where you control all aspects of your campaigns, analytics, and more. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with this area since it holds the key to everything from strategy adjustments to billing preferences. Moving on, the next thing you'll want to do is find the admin option on your dashboard. It's usually located on the top navigation bar or the sidebar depending on your screen layout. Click on it to proceed to the administrative section of your Google Ads account. This area allows you to manage the backend settings behind your campaigns. After you've accessed the admin section, look for account settings. Usually it's situated under a tab or an icon titled Settings. Clicking here will bring you to a page filled with various settings you can alter, each designed to help tailor your Google Ads experience to your specific needs. In the account settings, there's an option labeled Time Zone. While this might seem unrelated at first glance, here is where you find vital settings including billing currency. Clicking on Time Zone will provide you with options to adjust these preferences based on your needs. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed the settings where you can change your billing currency. Remember that changing your currency might affect how you analyze and manage your campaigns. It's generally a good habit to double check all related settings after making such a change. By following these steps, you've ensured that your billing is set just the way you want it, optimizing your ad performance and ultimately contributing to your overall business growth. I hope this walkthrough has made you more confident in managing your Google Ads settings. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.